This video is going to be slightly different to the others where you've been able to play along. Today's video is about your imagination, and it's about learning to use your ears in a way that you are not used to using. I want you to think about the sounds you can hear. Think of the sound of my coffee cup, the sound of me drinking, the sound of me putting my cup down. Did you know that when you watch a film, every single sound in that film, apart from the dialogue, the voices, is added later? Footsteps, doors opening and closing, people carrying shopping baskets, people opening car doors, traffic sounds, everything, maybe even a dog sniffing his biscuits on the piano behind me, is added later. Should we give him one? Wait. Okay. Think of the sounds he makes when he's crunching on that biscuit. If he was in a film, all that sound would be added afterwards. What follows is a short film about a day at the beach, a rather surprising day at the beach. And what I want you to do is I want you to think of not only what the characters might be saying to each other, but all the different sounds that you would hear. Perhaps you'd hear a dog barking. I'm sure you'd definitely hear seagulls. What about the sound of the waves? What about the sound of people playing or people talking? The splashing of children playing in the waves? Think of as many things as you can. Have a look at the film and try to decide what's happening in the story. When the film is over, if you can and you have the ability, you might want to try and record your own soundtrack. Think of how you can make the different noises and the different sounds that occur in each scene. If not, you can write a script. You can annotate your script and you can add in all the sounds for every scene that you think will make this a much better film. How this film is going to end up and what the people are saying is entirely up to you. Do you think we should give him one more biscuit? He's been waiting very patiently. Let's do that. Wait. Okay. Enjoy the film.